At Blackwater Boat, quality is not an option, it's our commitment. We know your boat is more than just a vessel, it's an investment, a passion, a way of life. That's why we use only the highest quality materials, ensuring strength, durability, and a flawless finish. Every repair, every upgrade, and every detail is handled with precision and excellence. Our team of experts doesn't just fix your boat, we enhance it, so you can enjoy the water with total confidence and peace of mind. At Blackwater Boat, the difference is in the details, because when it comes to your boat, only the best will do.